Christian's being a champ hooking up the power steering hoses because nobody else wanted to do it. Ain't that right, Christian?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we've got the driver's side of the motor almost completely done. Power steering pump's almost finished hooking up. Got all the plug wires on except for this one. Now it's on. But header's in place, steering's hooked back up. Started mocking up the other side. We've got to trim the bell housing to get the header to clear. So we're going to get that knocked out. And then the LS swap's making some more headway. She's got clearance. The reason why I said leave the starter out, because you can get to it, and I gotta hook the crank position sensor up.
Gasket. Click. 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 And click. You need the rubber isolators. What the fuck is so tall? That ain't loose.
CrossFit strong thread.
Just put them on.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Nice. Wonder what goes in the top. I have no idea what size it is.
Well, she's in there, boys and girls. It's a tight fit, but we got it in there. That was a good day's work. Very happy with how everything worked out. And the coolest thing with these headers, excellent ground clearance. We got the Y pipe put in, transmission's all bolted in. Only thing we have to do now is wire it, fix the fuel lines, and do the oil filter relocation. The one that Alan bought, he bought it from a guy, and it looks like the fellow just had it hanging in the engine bay. We're not going to do work like that. But so the engine's in. Oh, and this is going. That's just something that come with the fuel rails. And we got to do the cold air intake and hook up the clutch lines, and we're going to go spin a wheel and make a deal. Christian, tell me how you feel.
Cold. I'm tired.
A tired, boss?
I need me a mixed drink.
What about some spaghetti?
Would be better.
See y'all next time.